Hi, and welcome to the Senior Network. I'm your host, Greg Fulton. Today we are joined by Becky Davis, Cypress of the Hilton Head.
Hi, Greg. Great to see you
Great
again.
to see you. And it hasn't been that long, but it's the fall.
A happy fall. Happy October.
Yes.
It's
the weather
wonderful.
is gorgeous.
I love it. I'm loving it.
At the coast and 65 degrees. I know most people are saying, no, we want it warm, but I love it.
Oh, I do too. It's just a reason to get outside
It is.
and
On
just
the beach.
enjoy nature and for all those reasons.
It's gorgeous. Well, tell me, it's fall. What's going on, Cypress?
Well, we're excited about fall, especially with my open house that's coming up in October. Now everybody's like, "What? You're going to have an open house?" No, it's good. We're doing a lot of firsts at the Cypress, and this is a first for us. We are having a virtual open house, and so can I give a plug to my website?
Please.
Okay, great. So if folks want to go to my website and send me their contact information with their name and email, that's all I'm asking.
That's it. Okay.
I will send them an invite to the virtual open house, which will occur on Friday, October the 28th.
Okay.
And they will be able to open up, go to our, they'll get the invite and they will just click on and link them to a dedicated page for the open house. And what I'm doing is I'm taking every model type and I am videotaping a tour of the home, just as if you were walking in the door and looking at the living room and the dining room.
Awesome.
And then also too, I'm trying to, kind of focus in too on some details.
Right.
It's kind of long, and people are probably going to
Well, not if they're interested in the property.
I know, exactly.
Yeah.
I'm trying to keep
if
it a
they're
short
looking,
response.
it's great.
Yeah. So I really am truly trying to hone in the details. And the neat thing too is I'm having our members who are showing their homes do the voiceover.
Oh, that's awesome.
Isn't it though?
And they're probably excited.
Oh, they are. They write their own narrative. I mean, some of the things they've said bring me to tears. I'm like, I didn't know you felt that way. And so it's like a testimonial. At the same time, they're showing their home, which is very personal.
And they're probably giving some journeys about how they ended up there.
Yeah, exactly. So it's a great message, and and people are just responding. So if people see me today on the Senior Network and they want to attend the virtual open house, we welcome just to send me your email, and we'll make sure you get an invite.
What is the website again for Cypress?
The Cypress of Hilton Head.
CypressofHiltonHead.com. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, I know you mentioned earlier the dining. You've opened up a little bit there.
Yeah, we about a month ago did open up. We've opened up the dining room for lunch and dinner with, of course, limited seating and social distancing, and giving the staff time to clean and make sure everything is protocol. We're following COVID protocol from the DHEC, because we do have to follow all life care services guidelines as well as DHEC. There are a lot of moving parts, and we're just trying to keep up with it. As we progress through this, every day we're learning more.
Yeah.
And every day we're learning how we can put those safety precautions in place to A, keep our members safe, and B, our employees and our staff who are doing a phenomenal job. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so we all have to kind of navigate with the changes. I know we all have.
Yeah.
But you guys, you mentioned Life Care Services. What is that? Tell me.
Life Care Services is a management company out of Des Moines, Iowa. They have been in the business since the 50s.
Wow.
I think that's right.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's right.
A long time.
A long time. Yeah, let's just say they have lots of experience, and they have lots of communities all over the United States. And the neat thing is that they are a safe place to land when you have A, hurricane evacuation, B, a pandemic, or any other challenges we might find as we work with our members and continuing care community.
So they obviously manage properties elsewhere.
Yeah. Not only continuing care communities like the Cypress, but also assisted living facilities and nursing homes. And again, they're all over the United States.
Right. And for our viewers that may not know, Cypress locally is very well known.
We 92.
Yeah, we all know it. So
been to
since
92.
And I know you've gone through multiple renovations.
We have. And ironically enough, we just finished a huge renovation of our clubhouse just as the pandemic came, and we had to close down the clubhouse.
Yeah.
But again, another plug for my website.
Yeah. There you go.
I have a virtual tour of the
Of the
clubhouse on the
Yeah.
website,
Right.
which was real fun to do.
Yeah.
And again, I try to enhance and show all the great details.
For you. How are sales going right now with the situation?
Thank you for asking.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're great because we do all this, right, to
Yeah.
bring people
Yeah,
in.
exactly, to live there.
Yeah, and Hilton Head in general, the general real estate market is going gangbusters.
Yeah.
And people's homes are selling. So I mean, just last week, Nona Story, our broker in charge, sold 3 cottages. Bam, bam, bam.
Wow.
Yeah, just people came because we can invite people on campus.
Yep.
Again, following all the safety
Once they're- yep.
protocols, and show homes.
Good for you. Congratulations, Becky.
I know.
It's awesome.
We're just plugging right through it.
You always do. Thank you so much. We're out of time, but I appreciate it.
Oh,
and glad to see you
and
again.
happy
Okay.
fall.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Stay with us. More to come here on the Senior Network.